Verifying your LinkedIn account can enhance your profile's credibility and help you connect with others more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Access your LinkedIn account by entering your email and password on the LinkedIn website or app. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Find verification options. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. Here, you may find options related to account verification, such as email verification or phone number verification. Click on the relevant option to proceed. Step 4. Follow the verification process. Depending on the method you choose, LinkedIn will send a verification link to your email or a code to your phone. Follow the instructions provided in email or enter the code on the website to complete the verification. Step 5. Confirm verification status. After completing the verification steps, return to the Settings and Privacy section to check your verification status. Ensure that your account is marked as verified and make any necessary updates to your profile. Completing these steps will help you verify your LinkedIn account, enhancing your professional presence on the platform.